what to do but to say goodbye and try to move on. I'll get over you, only wish that I knew how to go on. Baby, you and me, we're so messed up together. Even if we tried, we'd be stuck here forever. I don't understand right now how to make it through, but I'll get over you. And it's not like I'm gonna hate you, it's what it is, nothing left that we could do. Even though it hurts right now, we will make it through. I'll get over you, I'll get over you. Back when I met you, we were like fireworks, thought nothing could break us, but oh how we got burned. Look at us now, we scream, we fight.